Hello, I'm going to do task number 2 for creating a grocery list using the Trello app and doing the following mentioned operation. The first of all, I'm going to create a board with the name of grocery list. If you want to choose any background images, then we can able to choose from here. So I would like to choose this and simply create. Once I will create, I would like to create two lists in which one list where I mention what are the products I have to buy, item to buy, and in another list I have to mention what had been what are the items had been purchased. Now I would like to add some items here like milk products, vegetables, um, grains. Now, in milk products, I have to mention what are the products I have to buy. First of all, I would like to add some description here that I also like to add some label. Now, I have to mention that what are the items I have to purchase in milk products. So, I can mention paneer. I can also mention tofu. I can also yogurt and many more. Whatever the item you wanted to add, you can add in this list. And you can also able to add the due date of this list, that on which date you have to purchase these all items. You have to complete your purchasing before this date, so we can able to add the dates from this option. And here we can mention suppose 3/12 to 24 till 12 p.m. So here the your due date has been come. Now suppose if we have completed your purchase of paneer, then we can the, do this thing to complete our purchasing in this list is done, add, done. Suppose if we had done the purchasing of tofu, then also we can able to do done, add, done. Same thing goes for here. So I have completed my purchasing list of milk product. Now I have to do something, that once I completed my purchasing of milk products, it will automatically come under the card of purchase items. So I would like to add one customized button in this. From here I have mentioned that it will go to the list of purchase item. Here I would like to add button. This button had been already come. Once I click the done button, it will automatically goes to my purchase item, that yes, you have purchased your milk products. And if you wanted to mark the list, you can go open and mark the list that you have completed your milk products. Same things for grains. If we wanted to hear some of the grains, if you want to add label, we can able to add labels. And if you wanted to add some of the products that we really wanted to buy, or we can say checklist, then we can, here we can able to do with the help of checklist option. Once it's done, we can write done. And you can also same thing, that if you want to add some of the due dates, you can able to do dates by choosing the option of dates, and we can able to add due dates here. Once it's completed, you can done mark it completed. Here you can see that the level of complete has been come in the section of due date. Once once you have completed the purchasing of grains, you can click our automation button of done, that we have created in first of the list in milk products. This is how we can be able to use Trello app for buying the grocery list. Thank you.